The truck bed is perhaps the most exposed spot on any pickup truck, especially for loose items sitting around the bottom. This is why many truck owners take extra measures to protect the bed as much as possible. While regular soft tonneau covers do a good job of protecting the bed from the elements, only a true hard cover will offer a superior level of theft resistance and prevention. If you want an excellent degree of protection, the only real answer is a retractable tonneau cover. Choosing the right cover sometimes can be difficult. It's because of the different types of options available from various manufacturers. Going for the perfect cover as a requirement can be astonishing sometimes. But don't worry, we're going to share a simple and helpful video with you today to find the best retractable truck covers. We have listed the top 5 best retractable tonneau covers and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. BAK Revolver X4. This is a premium, hard-rolling cover with a stylish matte black vinyl finish that's complemented by aluminum slats, all of which make it capable of withstanding up to 400 pounds of weight, and one of the strongest and most durable out of all that we've tested. BAK's tonneau cover is compatible with Dodge Ram 1500 trucks built between 2019 and 2020. The cover features rotational, locking rails that secure it to the entire length of the bed, 5 foot 7 inches. Plus, it comes with a securing mechanism that locks the cover to the tailgate. When opened, the cover rolls up tight, providing full bed access without blocking rear-view mirror and third brake light visibility. However, it's rather expensive, so it will set you back a bit. Also, the fitting and compatibility is very limited, as it's only built to fit one truck body type. Number 4. RetraxPRO XR. If you're looking for an easy-to-install and beautiful retractable, this one's for you. A truck bed is a cargo-carrying marvel, but let's face it, they aren't exactly smart. A single open-air box can only do so much, and it doesn't really offer that much in the way of protection from prying eyes or the weather. A tonneau cover solves the problems of security and weather but doesn't address the single box issue. What do you do if you need to keep your cargo secure and carry something that won't neatly fit under that cover? The RetraxPRO XR solves this problem by combining the versatile Pro MX truck bed cover with the integrated Trax rail system that allows for unique and personal customization above your truck bed cover. The Trax rail system will work with most T-slot accessories from Yakima, Rhino Rack, and many others, offering endless possibilities. Pairing the Trax rail system with other accessories sold separately offers the chance to double your cargo capacity. This unique technology frees up the hitch with the ability to mount bikes, coolers, outdoor gear, and more on top of the truck bed cover. Once again, the RetraxPRO XR is based on the RetraxPRO MX and features the same simple clamp-on installation, ball-bearing rollers, and spiral track that prevents the track from folding on itself, ensuring a flush, tight weather seal at all times. The installation process is really simple and easy. Number 3. Pace Edwards Switchblade. It can be challenging to find a high-quality retractable tonneau cover in the lower budget range, but the Pace Edwards Switchblade cover is an exception. It offers a lot of design features that are very common with higher-priced models at a fraction of the cost. It also has a low-profile design, perfect for preserving the truck's looks. Using aluminum panels with a polymer finish, Pace Edwards ArmorTech deck does a brilliant job of keeping the basic weather elements out of the truck bed. The sleek design bends well into the bed as well, preserving the bed rails for other accessories on some truck models. Others may have the stake pockets blocked. Regrettably, this is one of the most difficult covers to install. Like many retractable truck covers, accurate alignment is necessary to get everything running smoothly. For instance, the guide rails on the sides take some time to get appropriately aligned, so the cover can slide in and out of the housing. Number 2. Gator Recoil Retractable. No one wants to have tools and other items swimming in water, so keeping precipitation out of the truck bed is very important during wet weather. So, what's the solution? The Gator 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 2.7-foot retractable tonneau cover. This is designed to be waterproof. It fits completely over the truck bed of a Dodge Ram to protect all of the items inside. The aluminum assembly is very durable and designed to resist all types of weather conditions. The aluminum top has been painted matte black to create a very smart look. Even snow that accumulates on top of the cover will not be able to enter inside. The slats are powder-coated in order to resist rust and corrosion effortlessly. However, for the inexperienced person, the installation process can be a bit tricky. Unlike some models, a little drilling is required on this one, and some truck owners may be reluctant to do this. However, this helps to make the tonneau cover especially strong and durable. Overall, it's an incredible value in the category of retractable covers. The Gator Recoil brings with it a slew of great features. Number 1. Rock & Lock M-Series Retractable. It's one of the best truck cover choices when you want to make the most of the space left over in the bed. The vinyl and aluminum construction of the rolling cover fits into a packed housing that takes up a smaller footprint than some of the competitor models. The equipment also provides a good amount of weather and impact resistance. Functionality is the biggest plus point of this cover. The torsion spring inside the housing does a good job of getting the cover to roll in and out smoothly. The lock is easy to use and can secure the bed from the outside. Installation is also fairly direct as long as you can get past the ambiguous instructions, which are the main drawback of this cover option. The text in the instructions is difficult to follow at times, especially if you've never installed a retractable cover before. To avoid any issue, it's better to refer to video installation tutorials. Otherwise, the installation just takes a bit of time to get done. Conclusion? If you want a true high-quality tonneau cover, then the Roll & Lock M-Series is the most preferred one because it delivers high-quality protection. The best tonneau cover for value is the Pace Edwards Switchblade, which actually has a lot to offer with the price tag that is almost half of what some competitors charge. Let us know in the comments below which retractable tonneau cover you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this one and it helped you in any way, give it a thumbs up. And of course, you don't want to miss any of our future videos. Subscribe to the channel today. Until next time, see you guys later.